You guys, look who missed their alarm this morning. Look who missed their alarm this morning.
Hello, Tyler. Okay, Tyler, d'accord.
Te papa later. Have a good day. Papa bag. Mama.
Bye guys. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. I'm late to work, but it's gonna be okay. So wishing all of you a nice day, and I catch you guys when I come back.
Tell Papa later.
Oh,
Love you too. Mama. Yes, Papa gone to work.
Tu fermes derrière moi?
Ooh, god damn. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys. Oh, baby's off to work, as you guys saw in the clip previously. I don't know how I think he forget to set his alarm or something, because I didn't hear it and he didn't hear it, and then I feel in the bed and I still feel him, and I'm like, nah, this can't be, babe. When I look at my clock, it was already after 7, almost 8. I'm like, oh my gosh, babe, how are you going to work or not? And he just jumped out of bed and get ready, but he'll still be on time, because normally he would go to work like an hour or so before his work time, even though he don't really have a set time when to go to work and whatnot. But anyway, he's off to work, and I just finished my morning run. My morning run, which feels so good. I really hope you guys are making an effort to do some form of exercise. Do something. Run, walk, jump, skip. I always tell you guys, just do something. Even if you have to dance and act a fool and act crazy like I do sometimes. Yes, Ty? Yeah? Blaze. He's telling me what he's watching. Just do something. It feels good. I'm not going to even preach about it healthy, because I'm just going to let it be your choice. I'm not going to try and push something down your throat and have you do something that you don't want to do. But it feels good. And if you really don't want to feel good, I don't know what other motivational way I can tell you how you're gonna feel. But just know it feels good, and you'll thank me later. Just do something. Do your workout. Just do it. Do it, do it, do it. I just finished my run, but this is just a small part of what I do each morning. Now that my run is finished, I'm going to jump into some abs. So have a good day. Have an amazing day. It's Monday, so have a good week. And Tyler is calling me as usual. I'm going to jump off this treadmill and get some abs in. So you guys, I finished working out, got all fresh and stuff, and had breakfast. And by the time I finished having breakfast and glanced at the clock, I realized that it would be almost time for Tyler's breakfast, for Tyler's lunch. But then I guess somebody went to work last night, so he's tired. He knocked out before 11:30, so he is sleeping right now. He's taking an early nap, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and start figuring out what to prepare for dinner. You know, the funniest thing, you guys, I think we're going to have forget us this year, because outside feels so good. I mean, you still want jacket, but nothing too thick, and you know what I mean. Early in the morning and late at night, yes, but like now in the day, like midday when the sun is out, it feels so good outside, and it also looks good outside. Let me show you what outside is looking like right now. So it's bright and sunny, and you don't want a sweater, you want nothing. So yeah, that's what outside is looking like right now. Comment down below and let me know what the weather where you are is looking like today. For dinner, I'm going to be making some baked chicken that I seasoned a few days ago. So I'm just gonna throw them in the pan so we can have these for at least 2 days. Yes, I'm going to cook the fries for you. You want Mama to cook the fries for you?
And to cook the fries.
Mama is cooking the fries.
Mama cook the fries.
Yes. You guys, so my baby's official.
Fries.
Yeah, that's what you say you wanted, right?
I'm cooking the fries.
Yes, I'm going to cook the fries in here. What you say you want the toast and you wanted fries.
Mama.
Yes.
What did the present?
What? What do you want me to press? Bite it.
No.
So what do you want? You want to? Oh, you want to put it in the seat? Okay, go. He wants to sit because that's what he's used to. He's used to sitting in his chair and eating. Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Chair.
Okay, Mama is gonna go for the chair. Okay.
Chair.
Yes, I'm going for it.
Chair, Mama.
Yes, Mama is going for Tyler's chair. Okay guys, dinner is complete. Chicken is done, veggies ready, and potato is there. Dinner is ready. Yes, baby. Tyler is calling Mama for. Yes. Yes, Ty. What's the magic word?
Mama.
Okay, I'm going to get it for you, okay? Magic word? You're welcome. And of course he's eating toast and fries and yogurt. This boy. What is that? What is that? Fries. He said frit because frit means fries in French. Fries? Frit? Nummy. What do you want? The truck is in your room. Go for it. Go. Which of your truck you want? Which of the truck you want? Whoa. You want that one? Car? Yes. We got a special delivery. What is that? Yeah. For who? For Tyler. You guys, we got something special in the mail, but I'm not gonna open it until babe gets home, so you guys will see what it is later. Oh, huh? Yes. No, don't open it with Papa later, okay? Yes. Hey guys, this mama is heading out to work right now, so I'm gonna leave you with the boys and I'll catch you guys when I get back home. Yes, your girl beating her wig today, shoddy. Anyway, you guys, Tyler says he's going to put on his shoes because he's going to work with mama. No, you're staying home with Papa. Where is Mama going? Mama is going where?
your shoes.
No, Tyler is staying with Papa, so Mama is going to work.
Your shoes.
No, Tyler staying with Papa.
Your shoes.
Tyler staying with Papa. Mama have to go to work.
Your shoes.
Don't cry. You're going to come and get Mama. Sure, Mama Apre, okay? It makes me so sad. I gotta go.
Hi guys, yeah, so I just finished to run 20 minutes. Yeah, so it's Monday, so baby's off to work and have to keep Tyler. So I'm back from work earlier, so yeah, that's a new resolution I'm gonna say, and hopefully I'm gonna keep it, is to run 3 times a week, and every Monday is easier. So I just ran. I felt good. I felt my leg heavy, but I felt good otherwise. Run a little bit faster than what I used to, but yeah, I didn't really wanted to. I wanted to do between like 20-30 minutes, but Tyler called me for Tyler called me in the middle, so yeah, that's the thing. Sometimes you want to do longer and you have things to do in the middle, so yeah, otherwise that was good. I felt happy, I felt good. So the main mission would be to keep it that way, not to be injured, because yeah, that's what mainly that's what in the past stopped me, that's injured. So yeah, hopefully I can keep injured. Gonna do a lot of stretching, and yeah, I'm gonna take care of Tyler.
What? You guys, remember I told you today that we got a package in the mail and I would show you what it is when babe get home. So, dun dun dun, nah. That's what it is. Tyler finally have a toy organizer that he's obviously in love with, because there's things already in it. Yes? Green.
Can you believe Tyler have all of these toys?
You guys, and this right here is nothing. Look over there.
In the living room.
Plus in the living room, under the couch, there's a lot. What? Go ahead and take the book you want. Rah! Carrot power, broccoli power. Rah! Pull. Use your. Oh, wow! Which book you reading tonight? You guys, this is bedtime. Tell Faves night night. See you tomorrow. Cute boy. Look at Mama lipstick on your face. Hush, baby, hush. You guys, babe hit his foot all because of me earlier, and I feel bad. But
No.
one of my bars that I used to work out hit his toe, and he screamed like it was his last breath. You guys, we're coming on to
end the vlog.
Yes.
And give you the Jamaican expression.
Yes. So the Jamaican expression for today, we're on the insulting train.
Oh.
So the insulting word for today is going to be a nice insulting one. There are nice insulting words and there are bad insulting words. So today is a nice insulting word. It's going to be baffan. If a Jamaican say you're a baffan, mean you're very clumsy. Everything you're doing, you fall over, you spill things, you're clumsy. Means you're very clumsy. You understand?
Okay.
Yes. Say it. Baffan.
Baffan.
Yes. So what's the French expression for today?
Être fait en chocolat.
You make a chocolate.
No. Être fait en chocolat.
To be a chocolate.
Yeah, to be a chocolate. And that's a French expression that we used to say to someone that always get injured. Like your sugar or your chocolate. You're made in chocolate. Like
you're very soft. You're breakable.
You break easily.
Okay. Okay. Être fait en chocolat.
Right.
Alright, you guys. So there you have the French and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
make sure you get it.
And Tyler is of course off to bed. Give this video a thumbs up, you guys. We love you. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and turn on your notification. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.